my guest here, Miles Guo, was able to, we were able to listen to, that talking about the Catholic Church and what's going on. You know, Saturday a week ago, we had one of our 2-hour specials, and it was about what the CCP, the information war that they're running against the United States of America, and we also did a whole hour on the information war they're doing against the world. We had Francesco Gallietto, one of the top geopolitical thinkers and writers in Italy, with a new book out called Red Contagion, how the CCP is using Italy and Rome as the Trojan horse to take over the West. Now, in that book, Gallietto, who has no beef with the Vatican, he normally goes after political corruption and incompetence, he said the number one institution they're using in Rome and in Italy is the Vatican. We followed with Miles Guo. Miles was our guest, and Miles said, hey, look, one of the problems here is you got this secret treaty, and the reason it's secret is that they've been paying the Vatican $2 billion in cash money for a long time. Today, Stephen Mosher, one of the most respected people who focus on China, wrote a piece in LifeSite News, which is one of the top Catholic news sites, particularly for conservative Catholics dealing with abortion. And his piece was about how he thinks Miles Guo's got it right, and it's something that's needed to be said for a long time. So, Miles, I want to thank you. I know it's very controversial, this whole controversy with the Vatican. I know you're not trying to attack religion. You've been actually somebody trying to support freedom of religion in China for all people, Buddhists, Falun Gong, Muslims, Catholics, Christians, etc. But Steve Mosher said, I think Miles Guo is right, that the CCP and the Vatican are in a secret deal. He also said that in this article, he specifically points out how Pope Francis has taken the party line of the CCP. He has a quote in here where Pope Francis says, the CCP helps support freedom of religion, and the CCP helps keep the churches full in China. I'd like you to respond to that.
Thank you, sir. You know, before day one I know you, I say I have principle. I don't want to touch American inside political. I don't want to talk about religion, you know, a lot. So I only want anti-CCP with you. Now, because 2 days ago, I joined the war room, just urgency, you asked me about the Vatican, that's the issue. I tell you the truth. So I get a lot of threatened in the person.
You got a lot of threats after you had that interview with us that talked about the Vatican secret deal? A lot of threats?
Yes.
A lot of pressure?
Same 2017, CCP go to America, want to kill me, mafia parties, many lawsuits, put me go to the court. Same thing, this is huge. This is 3 years come back again because I talk the Vatican. So, sir, very important is the Vatican is the religion, the world, the head center, right? Even I talk the lie. Vatican don't believe me and think me as a lie. I like is the with Vatican go to American court. They can lawsuit me. I know last year I have few time in the American court. Some of the lawsuit by CCP, I all win. In the court, I first time see it have the word there, in God we trust. Okay, that's huge impact me. I like is the Vatican with me go to American court. We can find out the truth. We can show all the world what has happened. I believe, sir, are you so high? You think Vatican just suppose CCP? No. You just no. I know the evidence. I know the truth. I know the story. And by inside intelligence, Vatican is a cooperate with CCP.
Cooperates with CCP.
Cooperation. Also, they make a lot on the table the deal. It's betrayed inside China mainland underground church the people.
So this is what Cardinal Zen implies. You're saying that the Vatican has betrayed the underground Catholic Church by signing this deal with the Chinese Communist Party.
Yes, correct, sir. This one also, with 2015, 2014, they gave the $2 billion cash. I know something more is the 2018. Vatican, somebody want more dollars. They said, could you give more? Because I can make a more big deal. That's why 2019, 2018, CCP very often, very aggressive. They want Xi Jinping, go to the visa to Vatican, and they want big deals and a big contract. But some really good people stop this.
You mean big deal as full diplomatic relationships between the Vatican and CCP, and recognize the CCP as legitimate government of China?
Yes, correct. That's why, sir. 2018, 2019, they want to try big deal. What is the big deal? The Vatican want more money. They want, full support, full cooperation for CCP. That's a disaster. We're lucky, you and a lot of West side, believer, face guy, is to stop the deal. Even don't stop the deal, Vatican can get more money, but the CCP can kill more the people.
I just want to reiterate one thing is very important. You're challenging the Vatican. You're saying, hey.
I don't challenge her. You put me in challenge.
No. I'm saying the fact that you're saying if they think you're lying, that they can sue you. The CCP's come after you in court. You've won all the cases. If they think you're lying, you have no problem with going to court and proving you're right.
I'm really honored. I like to go to the court. I think that the 1,000 years, Vatican there. I like Vatican. We can talk all the detail in the court. They can give the court all the information by CCP, who connected them, for how much money from the CCP. And Vatican last days, the 10 years, how big money from the China and the third party. I like all this. Show the world, show the 150 million Chinese Catholic Christian. How much money from CCP? How much inside underground church believer guy died by the CCP? And Vatican gave the CCP provide privacy information in China underground church the guy, because they get killed, get arrested. That's very important, sir.
The Vatican gave that information.
This is for sure. What the deal can make? They just provide cells there, give the information, then the CCP arrest them, they just kill them.
Is Pope Francis true when he says the CCP helps support freedom of religion and helps keep the churches full?
CCP before there's a atheist, right? It's atheist. Atheist. Why atheist party make the deal with the Vatican?
A church.
How big a deal? Only one. You suppose me atheist, them, right? And you follow me, right? That Vatican is a protector of the believer. You how can make the atheist communist party? This is betrayed. This is the sales. This is criminal. How much money? Not $2 billion. It's 2014. It's a negotiation. 2000 they get it $2 billion. Up to now, I think it's more. That's why 2018, 2019, Vatican representative guys can give more. We can make a big deal. Even you don't stop. I think this big deal has happened, as more people die, and make CCP atheist is own the China and own the West of the world. Then CCP say, I'm a God, I'm a religion. That's so dangerous, sir.
We only have a few minutes, I think, Raheem, but I want to get into this topic and we'll carry it over to the next section. Steve Cortez and the team talked about cultural revolution in America right now with Antifa and these radical groups. The key to the cultural revolution was called the Four Olds, right? The Red Guard was tasked by Mao to destroy the Four Olds, and that was old culture, old customs, old ideas, and old habits. And what they said was to rebel is good, but they had to destroy the Four Olds. Do you see that's what's happening? Is Steve Cortez and Raheem War Room right when we say it's a Maoist-type cultural revolution going on in America today?
You talk this, sir, still too high. You talk the words. Maybe some normal people don't know. Easily you can talk. They want China 5,000 years of history. They want to kill you, no loyalty. Kill you, no morals. Kill you, no family. Kill you, no God. Kill you, religion. This is for kill. Nothing is kill. So kill God, religion, kill your family, kill your loyalty, kill your kind and morals. That's for kill. Then you follow one Communist Party. Chairman Mao is God. You kill the God, I'm the God. Kill loyalty, loyalty to me. Kill family, I'm better your family. Kill the morals and the kind, I will give you kind. Free life, I give you free success. Kill freedom, but follow me. That's totally man. It's the fundamentally reason. It's a gold. That's for kill. This is broken old, for old. That's totally lie. Propaganda. That's for kill.
The 4 kills.
Yeah.
What?
No, in America, same thing.
In America today.
Free life, kill freedom. Then you kill the loyalty, kill morals, rule of law, kill religion, kill American history. You can get a free life. But you need loyalty, Antifa. That's the same thing. This is the totally same. Before is the China Cultural Revolution, even worse, even worse. I know, I don't want to talk the nationality something. I think that's exactly they want to kill what? Kill rich people.
You think they'll eventually want to kill the rich?
Kill the Jews. Jews are too rich. Irish, too rich.
Irish.
And the Chinese, too rich. Kill. They kill rich. They call ruble rich. Help the poor. This is a cultural revolution. Ruble the rich, help the poor. You look at the cultural revolution. The kill at the 4 old is the ruble rich, help the poor. They kill all the rich guy and the teacher. Oh, teachers kill teacher, kill culture. Then kill the richer, you get more rich. The natural tiger kill rich.
Understand why? Do you think the West, in the United States of America and in Western Europe, why, with all the evidence that's being shown by GTV, G News, Epoch Times, New Tang Dynasty TV, why is the West not holding the Chinese Communist Party accountable for this pandemic, all the deaths and all the economic destruction?
Sir, we are on the board a few days. You look at this, the last 2 weeks, New York Times and another big news paper, they want to interview me. I very yelly to them. Everybody ask me about the Falun Gong, about the epical, give me, ask, where from the money, Falun Gong, where from the money? You supposed to the money? I really angry. I said, why you believe, all the believe the Falun Gong and it's the Dajiyuan? You are so stupid. Why you don't give the rest of the world the truth? Wall Street, how much money from China? Why is it you don't ask all the CCP? Where from the coronavirus? Okay? This is the main cause. Why you don't see this? You only try to believe the weird person. That's all because driven by perfect. Okay? Because all the big platform is behind is to take big money from the CCP. Save the Vatican. They just driven by perfect. All the talk lie. Everybody can know the truth. Why you believe Falun Gong is that don't give any chance to show you truth. CCP always the philosophy. We make the dirty water, we can get the fish. They want to make the dirty water in the west side of the media. They don't want you get the truth face. Falun Gong give you truth. They don't want you make clean the water. So
you're
truth.
saying the Western media goes after attacking Falun Gong, Epoch Times, New Tang Dynasty, G News, G Media, and are not looking for the real truth that's sitting in front of them. This is the Chinese Communist Party's responsible, not the truth tellers on the outside. And it's time that the American people woke up, the people in Europe woke up, the people in the United Kingdom woke up, and understand their media is basically becoming almost like a propaganda arm of the CCP.
Yes, sir. You look at the Hong Kong movement. Only is the Falun Gong is a reporter, 24 hours. Every minute maybe get to die in Hong Kong street, fight with the child student. They never talk religion. They never talk politics. They just show you truth. It's life. Where's the New York Times? Where's the FT? Where's the BBC? Where's the CNN? I never see. They just show off. They go to wrong. It's a show camera. Only it's Falun Gong there. Even with the blue movement, we don't do a lot because it's too dangerous. These big about they make justice. They try give West the world the truth. But you look at the West side media, they scared Falun Gong. They want to take down Falun Gong. This is the movies, Da Tang TV, and is epical, the newspaper, because They talk the truth. They want to try clean the CCP, make dirty the water, show you the truth. That's why you are scared. This white guy, you watch me, this mouse. Do you give the Falun Gong the money? I said, crazy. Why you believe the Falun Gong? Why you don't ask how much money New York Times fund the CCP? How much money CNN fund the CCP? Wall Street, how much money fund the CCP? Why you don't talk Hong Kong the truth? Why you don't ask coronavirus? This is why CCP don't want to go in investigation. They kill 120,000 people in America. CCP lie, American die. Why you don't follow this? It's crazy, right? So I sometimes, Western world now is by CCP full control. CCP try slogan, Cultural Revolution.
我天哪，不明理还有。